Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today let's make jollof. Easy, quick and perfect jollof. So this is my Cindy rice, this is my tomato paste, this is my sausages, and this is my carrots. I have here my green bell pepper, my seasoning cube, this is my pepper, and I have here my chopped onions. So here are my chopped onions and pepper, and I added a little bit of habanero pepper. So it's now time for my tomato paste to go in. And there I have it. After some time, I stir it occasionally. And after it is my seasoning cube. I add everything into it. I leave it to simmer for some time, and then my rice is about to go in. So here I have 2 cups of rice added to the tomato sauce, and I stir thoroughly. And after that, I'm supposed to get this texture of it, and then I add a little bit of water to it, enough to cover it. So here are my chopped green bell pepper and carrots and my 2 sausages, all for flavor and garnishing. So I add in my chopped carrots and green pepper to the rice. I mix everything thoroughly together with the sausages to give this very nice aroma. I mean the vegetables. So I cover it up and I leave it to cook for some time, and after some time I check on it to see the texture, if it's ready to be used, and voila, is ready to be served. So as I'm waiting for it to be done cooking, here are my lettuce neatly chopped, my carrots once again, and my onions. So I mix them to make this basic healthy salad that I will use as a side for the rice. No mayonnaise, no ketchup, no sardine, just basic salad. Here is my avocado, and there it is, my easy jollof recipe. Okay, so as you can see, this is so easy to make, and you can do this at home anytime, any day. Let me know how it goes.